You know how drones work? The key lies in the propeller. When it rotates at high speed, it pushes the air downward so that the drone obtains upward lift. When the lift is greater than the gravity, the drone will rise, and vice versa. When the lift is equal to the gravity, it will hover in the air. The propeller is connected to the motor. When the propeller rotates, it will generate an opposite force, which will make the fuselage rotate accordingly. Therefore, the helicopter needs a tail rotor to offset the rotational force. If a drone is designed without propellers, it will keep spinning and spinning. However, drones generally use 4 rotors, but if the 4 propellers all rotate in the same direction, it will still spin in place. Therefore, the direction of the adjacent propellers of the drone is opposite. When the rotational speeds of the 4 propellers are the same, its direction remains unchanged, but it can be turned by simply changing the speed of the diagonal propellers. If the speed of the 2 rear propellers is faster, then it will fly forward. If the speed of the side propellers is faster, it can naturally fly left and right. Even if the drone is disturbed by strong winds, it can always remain stable by increasing the speed of the side propellers. Like, comment, share, and follow.